Hey there, today we're going to look at how to attach an image in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab in AutoCAD. Over here, find the References panel and click on Attach. Then the Select Image File dialog box will open on your screen. After that, choose the image file you want to attach to your drawing. Over here, select the image from the list or browse your system for the file. Then, you can also enter an image URL directly if the file is online. After that, click Open to continue the process. Over here, the Image dialog box will appear for positioning settings. Then, choose whether to specify insertion point, scale, or rotation on screen. After that, enable Specify on Screen if you want to place it manually. Over here, click to set the insertion point, scale, and rotation in the workspace. Then, alternatively, enter exact values for precise placement. After that, click Details to check image information like units and scale. Over here, review the image settings for accurate alignment with your drawing. Then, click OK to attach the image to your AutoCAD project. After that, the image will be placed and scaled in your workspace. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.